Blender Game Engine is a component of Blender, professional, free and open source 3D computer graphics software product used for creating animated films, visual effects, art, 3D printed models, interactive 3D applications and video games. The game engine was written from scratch in C++ as a mostly independent component and includes support for features such as Python scripting and OpenAL 3D sound. There are tons of free online tutorials available on YouTube and other websites to assist you in getting started. Unreal Engine 4. In March of 2015, Epic Games made the announcement that the Unreal Engine 4 would be free to download and use for everyone. This renowned game development toolset has been used for hits on just about any platform. You can download the engine and use it for everything from game development, education, architecture, visualization, to virtual reality, film and animation. The Unreal Engine has been used to create some of today's most popular gaming titles like Gears of War 4 and Street Fighter. When you ship a game or application, you pay a 5% royalty on gross revenue after the first $3,000 per product per quarter. Unity Game Engine. Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies and used to develop video games for PC and consoles, mobile devices and websites. First announced only for OS X at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference in 2005, it has since extended to target 21 platforms. Their engine is free and easy to install, and so anyone can have a fully featured game development engine installed on their Windows PC or Mac. Linux support is also on the way.